Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. If you're ready to say goodbye to your account, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on your photo icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Account Center and scroll down to select Personal Details. Next, tap on Account Ownership and Control, and you'll see two options. Choose Deactivation or Deletion, then select your Instagram account. Now pick the second option, Delete Account. Keep in mind that this is a permanent action, so think carefully before proceeding. Instagram will prompt you to choose a reason for deleting your account. Select the one that best fits your situation and tap Continue. You will then be asked to enter your password to confirm the deletion. To finalize, tap Permanently Delete My Account, and your account will be gone forever. Your deletion request will be processed, and after 30 days, all your data will be permanently deleted. Just remember, if you change your mind within those 30 days, logging in will cancel the deletion request. And that's it. Now you know how to permanently delete your Instagram account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for watching Digital Partners and see you in the next video. Bye.